Hello guys, I am Sunil and welcome to MS classes. So guys, today we will discuss about the trapezium. Okay, so trapezium is the two-dimensional shape. You see this trapezium in class 8, and in this class this is very important question: how to calculate the area of a trapezium if the sides of the trapezium are given. So let us take one example to solve that, how to find the area of a trapezium. So guys, here a question is: a trapezium having sides AB is equal to 25 centimeter and its a parallel side, this is equal to CD 10 centimeter. Okay, and BC, this is equal to 14 centimeter and CD, this is equal to 13 centimeter, and you have to find the area of trapezium ABCD. Guys, its figure is just like if this is A, this is B, and you see AB is equal to 25 centimeter, okay, and this is C and this is D, and CD is equal to 10 centimeter, okay, CD is 10, and BC, this is equal to 14 centimeter, and AD, this is equal to 13 centimeter. So guys, this is the trapezium having two sides are parallel and two sides are non-parallel, and even these two are non-equal. First is 14, second is 13. And how to calculate the area of this trapezium? This is very important. You have to use here different formulas to calculate the trapezium. Okay, see very carefully. First of all guys, we have to make a parallel line and parallel line to AD, and let this parallel line is this one, CE. Let CE is the parallel to draw CE parallel to AD. Okay, that's why AE is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, therefore AE is equal to 10 centimeter and left is 15 centimeter. EB is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, this is EB 15 centimeter, because 25 minus 10 is equal to 15, and this is 10 because CD is equal to 10. That's why opposite line is parallel. That's why parallel line is equal to 10. Now guys, we have to calculate the perpendicular distance. Let perpendicular is CP. Now how to calculate the perpendicular? If we calculate the area of this triangle, then guys, we know the area of a triangle is half into base into perpendicular height. Only then we can calculate the height of this triangle, and height of this triangle is equal to height of this trapezium. And why we calculate the height of the triangle? Because area of a trapezium is half into sum of parallel line into perpendicular distance. That's why we need height of the triangle. So let us take, if this line is parallel, if CE is parallel to DA, then this is equal to 13 centimeter. Okay, this is equal to 13 centimeter. So guys, you see, if we take this triangle outside, then CEB, EB is equal to 15, BC is equal to 14, and CE is equal to 13. All these are in centimeter. Now how can we calculate the area of this triangle? Very simple, by using Heron formula, right? So in triangle EBC, S is equal to 15 plus 14 plus 13 over 2, and this is equal to 42 over 2, and this is equal to 21 centimeter. So S is equal to 21 centimeter, because 15 plus 14 is equal to 29, 29 plus 13 is equal to 42. Now area of a triangle EBC, this is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C centimeter square. Okay, and this is equal to 21 into 15 minus 21, this is equal to 6, and 21 minus 14, this is equal to 7, and 21 minus 13, this is equal to 8. Now we have to write 21 in the form of 7 into 3, 6 is equal to 3 into 2, 7 is 7, and this is equal to 2 into 4. So guys, here we have 7 two times, first and second, and again 3 we have 2 times, two as 2 times, and 4 as it is. So here we can take 7 outside, 3 outside, 2 outside, and 2 outside from this 4. Then multiplication of this is 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are, this is equal to 84 centimeter square. So area of a triangle EBC is 84 centimeter square. So area of a triangle EBC 84 centimeter square, and this also be equal to half into base, base is equal to 15, into height, this is equal to CP, also be 84 centimeter. Both are the area of a EBC C. Both are the area of a triangle EBC. Now CP is equal to 84 centimeter square. This is equal to 84 into 2 over 15. Okay, this is 84 into 2 over 15. This is CP. Guys, now this is equal to divide by 3. When we divide 84 with 3, we have 28 3s are 84. Here we have 28 and here 5. Okay, this is equal to 56 over 5 centimeter. This is CP. Okay, now area of a trapezium is A, B, C, D. This is equal to half into AB plus CD into CP centimeter square. Half into sum of parallel line into perpendicular distance that we have calculated. Okay, CP is equal to 56 over 5. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 into AB is equal to 25 plus CD is equal to 10 into CP is equal to 56 over 5 centimeter square. Okay. Now this is 1 by 2 into 35 into 56 over 5 centimeter square. Now 5 ones are 5, 7 5s are 35, 2 ones are 2, 28 2s are 56, and this is equal to 7 into 28 centimeter square. So 8 7s are 56. This is 196 centimeter square. So guys, therefore area of a trapezium A, B, C, D is equal to 196 centimeter square. So guys, this is very important question for class 8 student. So what we need to calculate this type of solution? First of all, we have to make the parallel lines. Okay, and make a triangle. And in triangle, we have to use Heron formula to calculate the area of a triangle. Then equate both formula. Area of a triangle is equal to Heron formula area of a triangle. And from here we calculate the height of the triangle. Height of the triangle is equal to height of the trapezium. Then actual formula of trapezium is half into sum of parallel lines into perpendicular height. Then we reach the solution. So guys, I hope you have been understand the topic, and this is very important question. You have to use these two formula to calculate the area of a trapezium. I hope you have been understand the topic and try to solve the questions. So all the best guys. Have a nice day. Thank you.